Hello, my name is Chris Rowe, Aiden Lee's tutor, and we're going to get started right away. So Jack had $10. He bought a pair of socks for $2.30 and a pair of gloves for $5.50. How much money did he have left? So this is a subtraction problem. $10 minus $2.30 minus $5.50. So 10 minus 2.3 is 7.7, and 7.7 minus 5.5 is 2.2, which is the answer for this problem. Jack had $2.20 left. Okay, next problem. A music store is having its Black Friday sale. The store will give $5 off for the second item a customer purchases. Emma wants to buy a pair of headphones for $25 and a CD for $18.50. How much does she need to pay in total? So this is a subtraction and addition problem. So first we're going to add $25 and $18.50. Then since the store gives $5 off for the second item, we're going to subtract 5. So 25 plus 18.5 is 43.5. And if you subtract 5 from that number, we get 38.5. So next problem. Coffee mugs cost $2.50 each. How much do 5 coffee mugs cost? This is a multiplication problem. So 2.5 times 5. You get $12.50. Mr. Jackman gives $32 to his 4 children to share equally. How much will each of his children get? This is a division problem. So $32 divided by 4 children, and we get $8 for each children, or each child. Each student in grade 4 was given 20 raffle tickets to sell to raise funds for their school. The price of each ticket is $1.50. If Olivia sold all her tickets, how much money did she raise for her school? If there are 30 students in grade 4 and they sold all of their tickets, how much money was raised altogether? So this question has 2 parts. So this one is A, and this question was B. For A, Olivia sold all of her 20 raffle tickets, which costs $1.50 each. So we're going to multiply 1.5 with 20, and we get $30. That is the answer for A. And B, if there are 30 students in grade 4 and they sold all of the tickets, how much money was raised altogether? So we're going to multiply this value with 30 students. And we get $900. Okay, long division with remainders, and we have to find the quotient. So let's try number 1. 6,743 divided by 4. So you have to read the problem carefully. This section asks for the quotient. So we're not going to include the remainder. So the answer for number 1 is just 1,685. I'm going to try a different example. Oops. Let's try number 2. 7,685 divided by 2. So remember, we're not going to include the remainder. The answer for this problem is 3,842. We're going to try another example and we're going to move on. 8,731 divided by 2. We're not going to include the remainder. So the answer for this problem is 4,365. And you're going to do the same thing for the rest of the problems. So order of operations. So to do this, we're going to use PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, then subtraction. And we go in this order. So for number 1, we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. 17 minus 17 is 0. And now we're going to divide from left to right. 0 divided by 18 is 0. 0 divided by 60 is 0. 0 divided by 7 is 0. So the answer is 0. Number 8. So since P is the first letter, we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first, again. And since multiplication comes before subtraction, we're going to do multiplication first. And we go from left to right. 30 times 6 is 180. 180 times 2 is 360. 360 minus 25 is 335. And 335 plus 8 is 343. That is the answer. Now we're going to try number 6. We're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. 16 plus 31 is 47. And then we're going to do multiplication. 10 times 8 is 80. Now we only have subtraction left. So 80 minus 10 minus 47. 80 minus 10 is 70. 70 minus 47 is 23. We're going to try number 9 now. So division comes first. 15 divided by 1 is 15. So now we go from left to right. 6 plus 15 is 21. 21 plus 37 is 58. 58 minus 27 is 31. Now we're going to do multiples. So multiple is a product of a given number and an integer. This may sound complicating, but it's really easy. So we have to find the first 5 multiples of each whole number. So the 5 multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. So this is just basically multiplication. So for the first 5 multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 14, 28, 42, 56, then 70. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's really easy. You're going to do the same thing for the rest of the problems. And that is it. Thanks for watching.